Did you guys just run that light? There's a cop right up there. I need a little bit of help. That's just flat out what it is. Good morning. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We got Rashad. We got Lexi. We got this man right here. I don't even want to say who that is.
I am Party Production.
This beauty, which I will be touching on later, Forrest just finished this up and he's got a little something to do left. I think he's got a couple things left to do, but overall he's done with this. Lexi just got that CBR. This thing is an absolute beast. A Yamaha R1. 2021 or 2022? 21. Yeah, so this is like brand freaking new. This thing is the Lamborghini of motorcycles. Your passenger seat comes up into a backrest.
2018 BMW G310R.
G310R. See, that's I was never gonna remember that. That's that extendo lever.
Yeah, I just did these last night.
Woo! He's legal. Where are we going?
Some boba tea.
Some boba tea?
I guess so.
Do you know what it's called? It's a mystery. The world may never know. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Aaron. This is Tardy Productions. Here we do a lot of stuff, but today we're procrastinating further on doing the build. Currently we have a bunch of things to get fixed with this Yamaha Bolt before our ride on the 28th of this month. Whew! I'm out of breath. This is a bumpy road. So on the 28th of this month, we're doing our first group ride. It's going to start in St. Cloud, Florida, and we're going to ride out to Melbourne. Really excited about it, but my Bolt needs a little bit of tending to. We got a blown out fork seal, I've got a valve issue, and on top of that, my bike really needs to be tuned. The problem is that all those parts are in the mail. So the valve issue we're going to address after the ride, but the fork seal needs to be addressed. I'll get off in a second and show you guys how bad the fork seal is. So you can see it's spilling everywhere and you got fork oil dumped everywhere, but yeah, we need to, they're just checking to see if I'm good. But yeah, we need to get that fixed, but the part's in the mail, so I'm procrastinating further, and today we're just going on a ride. I don't know what the place is called, but they said it's really good. So I got fork oil on my finger and now my clutch is all slippery. If you guys don't know Forrest, I'm gonna leave his Instagram down below. Forrest helped me out with the tuner, and if you guys haven't seen that episode, there was a whole lot of things that happened, and I would definitely go check it out. See if I can scare Forrest a little bit. So I forgot to mention that we are in downtown Orlando right now. When I get there, I'll tell you what this place is called, but we're going to get some boba tea, some bento boxes, and if you don't know what bento boxes are, you're missing out, and a little bit of... Hey, baby! Oh, God! There's a cop right up there! Gosh, you did that at the worst possible time. What's this place called? The place where we're going.
Biz Tea Bento.
Biz Tea?
Bento.
Bento. You want to see a burnout?
Go burnout.
That was terrible. I don't have any clutch control.
Yeah, car oil in it.
You leave me alone.
Up.
What Forrest is talking about right now is that I changed my oil on this bike and every Yamaha Bolt I've ever had with car oil because it's substantially cheaper. But I recently found out that car oil is apparently not good for your bike. So since I have a wet clutch, the car oil has like anti-wear chemical properties to it, and so it makes the clutch slip. I haven't had any problems with it yet, but he said it's inevitable that at some point I have some problems. So next oil change, I'll be changing it out with correct fluid. Come on, get on over, brother man. So in the mail right now are a bunch of parts for the Harley Dyna FX DX and our Yamaha Bolt. We've got some tools for my front fork seals. We're going to get some new fluid in there, a little bit of thicker fluid. I was going to buy new springs for it or maybe a new fork tube, but I felt like that was just a waste of money at this point. I need to get the bike working well before I start doing aesthetic things or upgrades on suspension. But thicker fork fluid should help out a little bit. So I want to level with you guys really quickly, and I need all of my core subscribers, the people that watch every single video, the people that like every single video, the people who have supported this channel from day 1 or even day 500, I need to talk to you guys. We are less than 100 subscribers away from being monetized, and I need you guys to understand that my goal at the beginning of this year was 1 video every single week for an entire year, and then I would reassess on, you know, on whether or not I would keep doing 1 video a week. I love putting out videos. I love interacting with you guys. It's a ton of fun doing YouTube, and I don't want to stop. But the problem is that my goal was do 1 year of consistent videos every single week and don't miss a week, which I haven't. And if at the end of the year you've made 1 penny, 1 singular penny off of YouTube, then that will incentivize me to do another year. My problem is right now we are less than 100 subscribers away, which is awesome, but we only have a month and a half left until the end of the year. Here's where I'm at. I'm going to give you guys an ultimatum, and I'm just going to leave it in your hands. I want to keep making videos every single week. I will keep making videos every single week, with the stipulation that this community gets the channel to 1,000 subscribers. By January 1st, I want to have 1,000 subscribers. I'm scrapping the make $1 or whatever it was. I want to have 1,000 subscribers, and it is entirely up to you guys. I think that that is going to give me the push that it takes. You have to understand, all these builds, all the camera gear, all the time, everything is just coming out of my pocket entirely, and it's becoming difficult. So I want you guys to know that from the bottom of my heart, I really cannot thank you enough for all the support that you've shown me. But I just need a little bit more. I just need a little bit more. I need you guys to push Tardy Productions like you've never pushed it before. Now, I understand that this is kind of weird, me coming to you and essentially just saying this is in your hands on whether or not this channel survives. But it is. It is entirely in your hands. Oh my gosh, it's where the wild things are. Now, I'm not going to say I'll stop doing videos if at the end of the year we don't have 1,000 subscribers, but I will drastically slow down. And that's not like a, oh, I'll do this if you don't do it. It's like a, I have to. Like, I'm very busy, and I can't find a justification to continue making a weekly video. It would probably go down to like a monthly video or something like that. So I want to keep in touch with you guys. I love making these videos, and I won't stop because I'm doing this because I like it. That being said, thank you guys so much for everybody who's been subscribed. Thank you for all that you've done, and thank you for just all the comments and the likes and just everything. I love talking to you guys, but I need a little bit of help. That's just flat out what it is. I'm gonna leave it at that. I will see you guys at the restaurant. Peace. Looks like we're here. Oh, they're taking me to the auto parts store.
I dropped it.
Slurp it up first. Now drop it in the soup.
Alrighty, the food was delicious. Lexi paid for everything. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you, Lexi. I'm gonna leave her Instagram or right here or somewhere around here. It's crazy how tame that sounds with the exhaust.
Yeah, I know.
You'd never know that there is more CCs in that than 3 of Forrest's bikes. I'm so full. That boba tea and that those noodles were good though, dude. That place is a hidden gem. Holy crap, that scared the piss out of me. Oh my gosh, dude. These guys.
Hey, I might take you on a shortcut.
All right, let's do it. Take a little shortcut up here, right around this thing, right around the sidewalk, and down through this, and now we're good. So they said this was a shortcut. This feels like a kind of a long cut, if you know what I mean, like a longer. Oh my gosh, Forrest! I don't think you guys saw that. Forrest went to go do a stop at that stop sign. Almost bucked himself over the bars. Dang, dude, that bike looks freaking insane. Yeah! Yeah! beautiful over here, guys. Wow. And we're off. You going home? I'll see you later, dude. You coming to the ride? Oh, bumpy. Dude, Lexi's new bike is quick. It's cool riding with a girl that is absolutely just as good as riding as I am. Haley's really good at riding. I think Lexi's just had more bike time. I think it's just like flat out what it comes out to. Everyone you just saw today will be at the ride, so I hope to see you guys there. Yeah, I mean, the next video, I'm hoping we have the parts in so we can start working on the bike and we'll get back to the build, make it nice and clean so when we go on the ride, I don't have a blown out front fork seal and the bike is running well. Food was good. Lexi's hospitality, thank you so much, Lexi, for buying the food. It was delicious and I really can't thank you enough. I wouldn't have bought so many expensive items if I knew you were paying. Thanks for sticking around this long and watching the videos. Thanks for telling anybody about Tardy Productions. But my name is Aaron. This is Tardy Productions. I'm excited to see you guys on the ride. I'm excited to continue making videos. I'm excited to just excited in general for the future. Anything to say, Forrest?
Huh?
Anything to say?
People drive great here.
People drive great here. This is Tardy Productions. We'll see you on the next one.
Next one.
Did you guys just run that light? You naughty, naughty!